If you're over 50 and your legs feel weak, heavy, stiff, or tired even after a full night's sleep, listen very carefully because what I'm about to share might completely change how you walk, stand, and move again. Most people think leg weakness after 50 is just normal aging, but that's not true. What's really happening is your muscles aren't getting enough blood, oxygen, and nutrients anymore. And here's the scary part. Circulation keeps getting worse, strength keeps disappearing. But the good news is this: certain foods can start improving leg strength and blood flow faster than exercise alone. And today, I'm sharing 5 simple foods that people over 50 are using to rebuild leg strength, improve circulation, and feel steady on their feet again. Make sure you stay until the end, because the last food on this list is the most powerful, and most people are completely ignoring it. Before we jump in, quick reminder: if you're over 50 and you want to stay strong, independent, and active for years to come, hit the like button and subscribe to EverStrong right now. This channel is all about helping you build strength, energy, and confidence at any age. Subscribing helps more people like you find these videos. It only takes 1 second, and it really helps the channel grow. Now let me ask you something important. Do your legs feel weaker than they used to? Do you struggle with stairs, long walks, or standing up from a chair? Do your calves cramp at night? Or do your feet feel cold even when the room is warm? These are not random problems. These are signs of poor circulation and muscle loss, and after 50, both can accelerate fast if you don't take action. The mistake most people make is focusing only on exercise, while completely ignoring nutrition. But muscles don't rebuild without the right fuel, and blood flow doesn't improve without the right nutrients. The first food that can dramatically improve leg strength and circulation after 50 is fatty fish, especially salmon, sardines, and mackerel. These fish are loaded with omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3 South are one of the most powerful natural tools for improving blood flow. They help reduce inflammation inside your blood vessels, making it easier for blood to reach your leg muscles. Better blood flow means more oxygen, more nutrients, and faster muscle recovery. Many people over 50 notice that after adding fatty fish just 2 or 3 times a week, their legs feel lighter, less stiff, and more responsive. Walking becomes easier, and endurance improves without changing exercise routines. If you don't like fish, high-quality fish oil can help, but real food works best. The second food is beets, and this one surprises a lot of people. Beets are rich in natural nitrates, which your body converts into nitric oxide.
Nitric oxide relaxes blood vessels and improves circulation almost immediately.
That's why athletes use beet juice before workouts. But for people over 50, beets can be a game changer for leg strength. Better circulation means your muscles don't fatigue as quickly, and they recover faster after walking or standing. Some people notice warmer feet, fewer cramps, and better balance within weeks. You don't need a lot. 1 small beet a day, roasted, blended, or even juiced, is enough to make a difference. Now let's talk about the third food, because this one directly supports muscle rebuilding after 50. And most people aren't eating enough of it: eggs, as we age. Our bodies become less efficient at using protein, which means we need higher quality protein to maintain muscle strength. Eggs are packed with leucine, a key amino acid that tells your body to rebuild muscle tissue. Eggs also contain vitamin D, which supports muscle contraction and balance. Stronger leg muscles mean less strain on joints and better stability when walking. 2 eggs a day can significantly slow muscle loss and help rebuild leg strength over time. And no, eggs do not damage your heart when eaten in moderation. That myth has been debunked. The fourth food is leafy greens, especially spinach, arugula, and kale. These vegetables are rich in magnesium, potassium, antioxidants that support nerve function and muscle movement. Magnesium is especially important for people over 50 because low levels are linked to cramps, weakness, and poor circulation. When your nerves communicate better with your muscles, your legs feel more coordinated and responsive. Many people notice fewer nighttime cramps and less stiffness after increasing leafy greens in their diet. Even 1 big handful a day can make a noticeable difference. Now, this next food is one of the most underrated circulation boosters for people over 50. It's number 5 on our list: dark chocolate. Real dark chocolate, not candy bars. Now, cocoa is loaded with flavonoids that improve blood vessel function and increase blood flow to muscles. Better circulation means stronger legs and better endurance. Just a small square of 70% or higher, dark chocolate a few times a week, can help support circulation and reduce inflammation. Many people are shocked to learn that something enjoyable can also be powerful for their health. Now, here's something very important that most people never talk about. Eating these foods alone helps, but combining them with one simple daily habit multiplies the results. Movement. Not intense workouts, just consistent movement. Short walks, gentle leg exercises, and standing up every 30 minutes helps push blood back into your legs. Food improves the blood. Movement pushes it where it needs to go. Together, they create powerful results. I want you to imagine something for a moment. Imagine waking up and your legs don't feel stiff anymore. You stand up easily. You walk without fear of losing balance. You go upstairs without holding the railing. This is not unrealistic. This is what happens when circulation improves and muscles start working the way they're supposed to. Aging doesn't steal strength. Inactivity and poor nutrition do. At EverStrong, our mission is simple. We'll help you stay strong, confident, and independent for as long as possible. You don't need extreme workouts or expensive supplements. You need the right information and consistent habits. That's what this channel is all about. Now let me ask you this. Which of these foods do you already eat, and which one surprised you the most? Drop a comment below and let me know. Reading your comments helps this channel grow and helps others learn from your experience. And if you know someone over 50 who complains about weak legs, poor circulation, or balance issues, share this video with them. You never know, this information could help someone walk stronger, move better, and live with more confidence again. Make sure you're subscribed to EverStrong because in the next videos, we're going to talk about simple leg exercises you can do at home. Common foods that secretly destroy circulation, and daily habits that keep your legs young even after 60 and 70. Thanks for watching. Take care of your body, and I'll see you in the next video.